The equation a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a equals to 0 are equal. Find the relationship between a, b and c. Firstly, quadratic equations means you must always remember one basic formula. The roots of the quadratic equation are given by x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. It means what? Either one root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the two roots available. Okay. Now what our question is, they are equal. Equal means what? Both these are same. Now if they are same means what? Everything is same. Minus b, 2a, everything is same. This plus is also same. It means that this everything will go and only what will remain is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Here, when the roots are equal, only what remains is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. This is what remains. Now you know what is b, what is a and what is c. This is full big A, this is big B, this is big C. So just put the values then. B minus c the whole square minus 4 into a minus b into c minus a equals to 0. Solve this. You go on solving, you will see this b square minus 2bc plus c square, and this 4 into, keep it as it is for now. Then b square minus 4 is bc plus c square plus 4 into, now solve this bracket, a square. This is what? X minus a into x minus b, that is x square minus a plus b into x plus this ab. So a square minus b plus c into a plus bc. Then solve this again. You go on solving and you will see that you come to this point. See this you will have to try it yourself. You come to this point, minus 2a the whole square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into minus 2a into b plus 2 into minus 2a c plus 2bc. Now what is this? Now this is the formula of, if you check this, a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. You will see the common formula over here, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So this becomes minus 2a plus b plus c the whole square, right? Now if this is the square and this is equal to 0, it means what? It means minus 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0, because it's square root both sides. 0 square root is 0 and this remains as it is. Therefore take minus 2a on this side, it becomes 2a equals to b plus c. That is the relationship between a, b and c. Okay. Second,